Hi guys, here 5 minus this is 6 times 3 times 2 power 2 is 4. Now 5 minus 6 times 3 is 18 times 4. Now this is negative 13 times 4. Now 13 times 4 is negative 52 is the wrong answer. As for the order of operation, negative 52 is the wrong answer. Now we are going to introduce that PEMDAS rule from order of operation. Here this is a bracket, higher priority to other operation. This is exponent. Here this is M stands for multiplication. Here D stands for division, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Here multiplication divisions are equal priority. Also this addition subtractions are equal priority. For this we are going to follow another rule called left to right. Now we are going to solve this problem in correct way by using this order of operations PEMDAS. As per the PEMDAS, we have to complete this bracket first. So 5 minus this is 6 times 3 times 2 power 2. Now 5 minus this is 18 times 2 power 2. Now next operation is exponent. So 5 minus 18 times 4. 2 power 2 is 4. So now we have subtraction and multiplication. Multiplication is higher priority than the subtraction. So we have to do this before this subtraction. So 5 minus 18 times 4 is 72. Now 5 minus 72 is negative 67 is the correct answer. Negative 67.